Here's the question I get asked periodically, and that is, how do I discover when I created my Google account? It used to be the answer was hidden under all settings, under forwarding and pop, and you would see right here something in regards to when was pop enabled. That's gone away. There's another way I've discovered to determine when you created your Google account, and it's through Takeout. So you basically go to Google Takeout. In Google Takeout, which is takeout.google.com, deselect everything. This is how you export your data. Deselect everything because you don't want all this. All you want is you want to go down here and you want to find Google account data about registration and activity. Select that. It's going to give you an HTML format. That's what it's going to give you. Go all the way to the bottom and hit next step. And then you send download link by email or add it to Dropbox, either one. File type, let's just change that. Yep, I can't change it anything. Let's use zip, create. And look, you can sit right here because it's not going to take long. Got to validate your password. And just stay right here. Give me a moment because it's going to come up pretty quickly. And boom, there it is. Now what I can do is I can go open it in Drive. And there's the file. It's a zip file. Take that zip file right here. Where is it? Right here, Google account. And let's download this. You got to download it. It's a pain in the butt. You can do this from Drive as well. Just go to Drive. And right there it is. Takeout. And there's the new file, 2023-07-29. That's right. Click on that, and then I can download that. It's a pain in the butt to get to. Now, once I download it, I can go view it in my browser. There it is right there. I clicked on it and put that file there. Here's Google account. There's the file right there. I can double click on it. Should open it up in Chrome. And there's all my activity. It'll give me 1 month's worth of activity. That's interesting. 14 all the way back to 11/6, about 1 month. And then, but right here, here's the answer. Created on 2021-10/13 at 12:57:06. There's the information. Teddy, Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.